Well, hello everybody. It's Friday, October 30th. Getting ready to go in the Tokyo session. It's 7:30 in the morning Tokyo time. Tokyo opens in about an hour and a half. Sydney just opened a little while ago. Sorry, it's been a month since I've made a video. Haven't been posting to the blog very much. I've just been kind of busy with some other things. I apologize. The market's been a little wacky for me too, and I have been keeping an eye on it. And I haven't done a lot of trading just because things haven't been setting up these last few weeks for me as I'd like them to see. And then rather than instead of forcing a trade, I would just rather wait for the opportunity I feel is best for me. So that said, mostly I like trading the pound yen. So I've got that up here. Finally, something is looking nice on it. Here a couple days ago, it started to finally range. It's just been really sloppy. Been getting these really wide swings. Things have been consolidating very well. This is kind of a sloppy consolidation here into this range with a little bit of a squeeze, and it did make a break here for a nice little drop, at least the 100 pip drop here initially, and then started to bounce around in a 100 plus pip range here. And then yesterday, before the London Open, we started to get this. Well, you could definitely see it's finding support down here. But if you take this and put it into the 15-minute, let me fix this here. Yeah, if you can put this here into the 15-minute, you can see it started to consolidate here on the 15-minute. It started to squeeze into this tight range, straddling the 148 here, and then made this really nice break through the European session for 200 and almost 250 pip break. That wasn't a clean setup, and no, I didn't trade it because I trade off the 1 hour. Generally, those of you that have been watching my videos and reading the blogs, you can see. But sometimes I've been looking at in these market conditions, having to look at other time frames to see if there is a squeeze or consolidation going on. And of course, this happened at a nice heavy, a round number 148 support resistance level. And of course, I like those round numbers. I call them psych levels. And it did finally turn around and make the break up, but that wasn't a trade I took. But now looking at things I normally do, and for those of you who are new to these posts and videos, these orange lines are my support and resistance lines that I've drawn in, during prior price activity in these price ranges, and I just leave them on my charts, and you can see how it's fallen right back into this channel here. Usually on the pound yen, it's the round numbers, 151, 150, 150. Here, like you can see it here, 150, 50, 150, 149, 50, 149 are usually the good support resistance levels, but for some reason it's 150, 110 and 150, 160, 63 area is where I had my orange, where I had my support resistance lines previous to this, and it's just fallen. It's came back up and fell right into that range again. Why 5110? I don't know why that's such a key number here, but it is, and it's fallen back into a nice range there, a nice 50 pip range here. And this is what I normally like to see. I like to see a nice tight 50 pip range going into either the Tokyo Open or the London Open. So going to be watching for a break here on this at the Tokyo Open, and we'll see what happens. course, at this point, I'd like to see it go down just because the general overall trend the last few days has been down. This is made the nice spike yesterday, so I'd like to see a pullback at least. So I'm hoping for at least a pullback to this weekly pivot area and also this prior support resistance area around 150. It's a nice round number, good psych level, and just to me it makes sense to at least see a pullback to here. But if it does break 163, we'll also watch for a move up that way. Let me see if I can get a better look at prices for you. Above that, well, I've got 49.50, and above that, I'm sorry. Okay, we got this double top here on the 4 hour at the 153. So, well, that'd be a nice move too if we could see that happen. So, break of 151.63. We'll look for a take profit area of about 153, and a break below the 151.10. We're gonna watch for 150 as the target. So anyway, guys, I'm sorry again that the posts have been few and far between. Market action's just been a little ugly for me, so I've been laying off and not forcing anything. As far as the live trade room goes, it hasn't been open. A few guys have taken some vacations or away on business that are normally in the room, and so the activity in the rooms has kind of slowed down. But if you guys are interested and would like me to open the room, go ahead and drop me an email. I'll post the email at the bottom of the screen on the video. And also it's fxtradepros@gmail.com. So there's that FX Trade Pros right there, but it's at Gmail. The Google Mail, gmail.com. Go ahead and drop me a line, and we'll see what we can do about getting the room open if anybody's interested. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up, and I hope you find this a little useful. Anyway, I just wanted to mainly make it touch base, let you guys know I'm still alive, and get something posted. And hopefully the market will turn around for me anyway, and start settling down. With all the economic news going on in the world, things have just been a little spiky. So I like to just let it settle back down into its normal ranges and its normal behavior patterns. That's what I'm most comfortable with. Anyway, guys, you take care, and we'll talk to you soon.